Hey, Lou, what do you think of that? That looks nice.
It's like there could be a couple fish.
All right, I got one thing I gotta do before we go. Good stuff. I was like, engine oil. Look at that. My first fish of the trip.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Woo!
I know, right? Oh, fish on!
Join me June 24th as I rebuild this old Harley Davidson Sportster from 1977 and take it on 7 days of wild Maine catch and cook adventures.
Hey, your head has to be safe.
Oh my gracious.
What is going on?
I'll wear the full one. I look like
Let me see.
I look like the mushroom guy from
It does not look
Super
bad.
Mario.
That doesn't look bad at all.
I look like the mushroom guy fully.
That looks.
from
You
Super
do not
Mario.
look like the mushroom guy from
With
Super
some
Mario.
glasses, it might. Do you got some sunglasses in here? Maybe that'll help me feel. Stop filming me!